Hi, I'm Randy Nelson. I'm the off-road technical trainer for Polaris Industries, and today I'm going to show you how to install a half windshield on this Polaris RS1. Before we begin, we want to make sure we read these instructions and check to make sure all parts and tools are accounted for. We want to make sure we retain these instructions for future reference and parts ordering information. So to install the lock and ride windshield, it's going to place it onto the vehicle, and the clamps are going to be open, and what you're going to do is you're going to want to reach across, and with the palm of your hand, just push on it, and it'll latch in place. You're going to want to do that with your palm. There is going to take quite a bit of effort, so we'll go to the other side and lock the other lock and ride clamp down, and then the installation is complete. In position, push it with the palm of our hand,